Just when I thought the home renovations were over, something breaks. This is our mini split AC and heat pump that was primarily used to heat the basement that no longer works. Now, I know it's the summertime and we don't really need heat down here, but I want to get this fixed. So I reached out to multiple HVAC companies and I got quoted for like $4,000 to $5,000, which seemed pretty steep, and I figured there had to be a more affordable option. So after doing some research on the computer, I found a DIY friendly solution from a company called MRCOOL, and I reached out to them to see if they wanted to do a collaboration, and fortunately, they said yes. So meet our brand new 18,000 BTU MRCOOL air conditioner and heat pump, which is tucked away right over there, that I've been meaning to install over the past few weeks, but life has been getting in the way big time with our new little baby. How we doing?
We're doing good. We're here to rock and roll today.
Yeah.
What's the game plan?
MRCOOL. Finally got it out. Here are the two main pieces. This one goes outside. Obviously, this is the condenser, and then this is the air handler unit that goes inside the basement. We're gonna start with the air handler, and then we'll work on the condenser. We got a crescent wrench, another crescent wrench.
One for helper Rich. Okay.
Two, the nice hole saw bit, which is critical for the coolant lines, or the, what kind of lines are
lines
they?
and all that stuff from the wall unit in the basement and door going out to the outside unit.
What is it? The Freon.
Freon. Yeah. Electrical Freon.
And then this one is just so cool from MRCOOL. Pun intended. That is cool. I mean, what?
Wow.
This is sick.
All the tools.
Got the strap. Get all hooked up.
A good birthday gift.
Did you already get a birthday gift?
I did get a birthday gift, so I guess that's next year. That is great.
What is that you got there? You look like you work for MRCOOL.
I basically do. Is it cool or what?
That's real cool. MRCOOL.
MRCOOL.
Only matters on the map. Yeah.
Wow.
I love it.
You're special.
This thing's cool. They gave me a wrench.
Wow.
Two of them.
Two.
And
Stuff to put in your little man purse.
this nice hole saw.
That is nice.
I know, we're stoked. Remember the last time we were down here together in the basement? Great. That was a rough day. We had a gas leak the day before Easter.
Yes.
We just realized we have to disconnect the air handler from the condenser in order to take it off the wall, which is pretty obvious. Not sure why we didn't think of that. Much easier.
There it is right there. 115 breaker, 20 to 30 amps.
Ran into our first problem. The old unit is for 120 volt, not 220 volt, which this is 220. So we're gonna have to run new wires, which you should probably get an electrician to do so. We'll see if we actually get an electrician. But now we're hoping that this template lines up with this one so that we don't have to drill new holes and stuff. Had to do a Home Depot run. Got new drill bits. Going through the concrete now. We got enough screws in. This is very hard concrete. Went through 3 drill bits. Not so lucky. So we're not even gonna bother trying to drill this hole even more because it's just, you want it?
No pain, no gain. We can try the 2-inch.
All right, I'll try it. Basically, we need to spend like $200 on concrete masonry equipment, and it's just not great. Wish us luck for this one. Basically, this is what we're gonna be using. I don't know, guys. I just don't think
No, that's
we're gonna be here all day.
Yeah. You probably need a really higher end real or
You need one of those massive
big ones, yeah.
Yeah.
They got it, yeah.
All right, you're good. Now white. We got it. I'm sweating a little bit.
Me too, kinda.
We got everything through the hole though.
Yeah, no, 100%, big time. And it came out through, once we got it through, you got plenty, you just made it, but it's snug, but it's good.
Was it loud?
Very.
And he slept through it?
Wait, what is
It was literally like right behind you, right on top of you.
it stuck?
Well,
The
yeah,
bottom is we need to do the outside, then
Yeah.
we need to wire it.
Yeah, only about 24 hours more to do. We're getting there.
Not 24. The outside heat pump was relatively easy compared to that concrete
For
wall.
the record, I am carrying the heavy side.
We leveled out the mounting pad, then ran a 10 gauge wire to the circuit breaker for the necessary 240 volt wiring. Look who showed up.
For my supervision.
Yeah.
I've done some licorice.
Wow.
Licorice vinegar.
Oh, that's a big unit.
Yeah.
18,000
BTUs.
BTUs.
Oh.
Now it's time to disconnect the Freon hose and then wiring. Almost done.
Almost. Getting there. Rome wasn't built in a day.
MRCOOL comes with Freon lines already pre-charged, which is why this is DIY friendly and super easy to install. 2 more connections for the hose. So gray on gray. Blue on blue. Last step for the Freon hoses to just take off these caps here, and then we're going to use this Allen key by MRCOOL. It's one of their tools, and we're just going to go into here and just open it up all the way, open the valve, and that lets the Freon that's in the hose go into the unit. We should hear some fizzing as well. The wiring is super easy as well, matching up the numbers to each position, and it's time to turn on the breaker. We are wired up. 1, 2, 3. This is for the head unit, the ground, and then from the 240 volt we have both hots, L1, L2, and then the ground for that is right here. Going to the service disconnect, kind of button this up, and we'll be good. It's currently 6 o'clock. We started at like 11. The concrete really held us up. It's really pretty easy if you have wood walls, I'm guessing. My dad's making a joke because the last time he came over, he was here till midnight.
Actually, it was like midnight or so, and yes, that is blood, just to let you know, okay? I'm earning my dinner tonight.
All right,
Here we go.
Sealing this up.
Just FYI, I think Kevin sounded like that earlier today.
This
All right, here we
wire.
go.
Got the 240 set up. Was easy.
Very easy, very impressive.
One more thing to do. Just push in the service disconnect, and we are done.
Wish us luck.
Here we go. Hopefully it works.
That's it.
I heard a beep.
All right.
Moment of truth. All
Wow,
right.
look at that. So it said low and high.
We'll put it on the coldest setting, 62.
Hear the fan. Wow, I feel it here.
Okay.
Wow.
Smells like new.
Smells like new AC. Woo!
Smells a little stanky. Needs
Yeah,
to-
first I thought that was Kevin, but that's up in the air conditioner. No, but it's a good breeze. I can feel that from here.
Yeah.
Room.
Oh yeah.
100%. I mean, that's a great that fan. I think that's more than mine.
Come feel it now. It's cold.
Woo!
Yeah, that's chilly.
Wow. A little nipply, if you ask me. Damn.
AC works. We have it set to 62. It's really cold. Heat. We're testing the heat next.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Very good. Congrats.
That's great.
Thank you.
And Grandma had great
What?
night time.
We've been
Yeah. I mean,
away
you
for
can feel-
15 minutes.
You can feel it. Oh, yeah, it's cooler down here already.
Yeah.
Big time. Yeah. Oh, jeez. That's too cold to even stand under.
Yeah. Well, 62, huh?
That is sick. That's a true 62.
All right, let's crank it up
Crank this up
to.
to heat.
Let's crank it to 80, and we'll do dry heat. Here we go. So set it to 80. You can feel it.
Nice, good job, Kev. Excellent. The heat is on. Way to go. Mr. Cool is cool and hot.
Yeah, Mr. Cool can be very cool or very hot too. Feels good to be done.
Yes, it does. That's before midnight.
Do yourself a favor and install it on a wooden wall.
Absolutely.
But thank you very much for helping.
My pleasure.
We did it.
I'm doing it.
Mr. Cool, thank you so much for sending us this unit. We're super stoked. It's going to be toasty warm in here in the winter, and now it's going to be Mr. Cool in the summer. I don't see a bubble.
Again, I'm looking at the Tesla.
This is me and my dad's worst nightmare from the gas leak. I definitely over tightened all the compression fittings and caused more leaks, so we learned the lesson not to over tighten.
When he says Tesla or gas leaks, I'm like, I get a little shaky. Excuse me.
One more.
All right.
No bubbles.
No bubbles. All right. Bubbly good. Again.
Truly done.
Awesome. Good job.
All right.
Mr. Cool is alive and well.
Mr. Cool is. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's really hot. Oh my God, too hot.
Yeah, it is. Woo, feels good.
Our laundry washer and dryer is down here, and we got the house in March, so on like a 38-degree day, it's freezing down here. So this is going to be really, really nice.
Yeah. I mean, and the fans are really nice.
Can't wait to finish the basement now.
Yeah.
You want to come over for that?
Warning.
Run. Oh, sorry, gotta go.
I'll be on vacation. I'll be carrying on the Matters on the Matter edition. I'll be in Europe.
Yeah, I gotta get back to traveling.